Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2016 Nissan TEANA smart key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Nissan. From Valcal. Asia. TEANA. Select after 2013. Smart key. Program smart key. Turn on the emergency lights. Turn ignition off. Note that all keys will be deleted. Click OK. Long press the ignition switch. Ignition switch is on. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Operate according to inspiration. OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. The program is completed. Whether it program the next one. Click OK. Follow the prompts for the second key as well. OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Does it program the next one? No need to click cancel. Follow the prompts until the buzzer goes off a few times. OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Program complete. OK. Now, let's see if the keys work. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. Original car key. Press the start button and step on the brake. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. The new key. Lock the car. Unlock. The original car key to lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed smart key for 2016 Nissan TEANA. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.